Let me see you hit that blue elephant. Come on. Can you do it? Can you show? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Can you hit that blue elephant, bud? Let me see you do it. Let me see my bud hit that blue elephant. Can you hit the blue elephant, Jax? Oh, you know Mommy's filming, don't you? Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
That's why he stopped.
Well, try.
Bud, let me see you hit that blue elephant.
Bless you.
Bud. Ooh. Let me see you. Oh, bud. Good job. Good job, Jax. That was so good. Do it again. Can you hit the blue elephant? Let me see you hit the blue elephant. Oh, bud, you're doing so good. You are doing so good. Yes, you are. Yes. Oh, bud, you did it again. Oh, you are doing so good. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Do it one more time. Can you show us how to hit the blue elephant? How do you do it, bud? Can you do it?
One more time, Jax.
Can you hit the blue elephant, bud?
One more
Huh?
time.
One more time, Jax. Can you do it? Can you do it? Can you hit the blue
One
elephant?
more time.
Can you hit the blue elephant? Oh, bud, you did so good. You did so good. Oh, but Daddy's so proud of you. I am so proud of you. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I love. Oh, bud, good job. Good job, Jax. You are hitting. Yay! You did it again. You are doing so good. Oh, yeah. Yes, you are. Daddy is so proud of you. Yes, I am. Oh, bud. Oh, bud. Oh, bud. Can you